Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex Excel. Today I'll be discussing on how to refine your order block. So let's get started. So in refining an order block, one way to see it is in the lower time frame. So find OB is you will see it in the lower time frame. Okay. So the number one rule for me to identify an order block is to know your bias. So is your bias? Is it a buy or a sell? Or is it a bullish or bearish? So in this example, this is a bullish structure, right? So how can we refine our entries and to have a sniper trades? Because it is very important that we minimize our risk, because when we try to refine our order blocks, that means that the stop losses are very minimum. So since this is a bullish trend, I'd like to see a demand. So when you try to see a demand, it is a, for example, this one, it is a area where there's a significant move to the upside. So this area here have this move because this mini structure here, let me just erase this mini structure here has been broken. So like, for example, this is in a bearish like move and then changed its character to the upside, and it means that it when it changes and have a significant move to the upside, it creates a demand, right? So it is, when we check, this is a 32 pips. So if this is okay with you, then it's fine. I mean, you can trade a 32 pip stop loss in your trading, but it can be improved when you try to refine your entries. So let me see. So as I've said earlier, you can refine it on a lower time frame. So let's go down to 15-minute time frame. Okay. So as you can see here, there's a lot of manipulation that was happened. And when you see this bearish move right here, it actually taken all the stop loss that are below on this trend line. So after after this manipulation, it took to the upside, right? You can see it on the 15-minute time frame. So this is this is a significant move because it has break this high, and you know it creates actually a liquidity right here. Actually, it breaks this wick right here, but it is a significant because there's a lot of imbalance that has left after that break to the upside. So this is a good indication that you can refine your entry right there. So that's in 15 minutes, right? So we can try to go down to 5-minute time frame and see if we can refine it as well. So in 5-minute time frame, as we've seen here, there's a mini structure right here, or this one has broken. You may see a small candle right here, this one, that has been created because you may see that this candle right here is already mitigated. So when it so I'll try to go to 3-minute time frame just to see how it looks when when it tries to push to the upside. So okay. So 1 minute time frame. So you can try this, but this is risky a risky way of refining your trades. But you can always put a minimum time frame, like you'd like to see refined OB in 3 minutes or 5 minutes. That's fine. So on this area, this one is didn't see any order block here, but I did it. I can see some, this one, like this one. So it has respected this last down candle that caused this break, this one. So it has this manipulation right here. I think you can see the range on the lower time frame or on the 1 minute time frame, and then goes to the upside. So it builds this demand zone right here, or this is the last down candle that caused this break. So you can use this as your refined OB. So right here. So it has respected, right? So the price goes there and push to the upside. So it is always good to test this in, when you try to back test or front test, and mark all those refined, because from 32 pips it will become like 8 pips or 7 pips. So to encourage you to check our courses, we have a lot of educational Forex course in the channel, in Discord channel. So you can try it in a month or 3 months, 1 year, or lifetime. We also have signals if you want, but you need to join in the waitlist because it is not always in open service. And you may also want to try the FTMO funding accelerated program that you could use when you plan to take FTMO challenges or any prop firm. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.